Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to share with you my home management tips as we start going into the spring cleaning season. I know we're ready to get out in our gardens. It's not quite that time yet, but I want to share with you some important tips. I also want to thank the sponsors of this video, Regions Bank, member FDIC. So now let's get started with the tips on managing your home. Okay friends, tip number one is to create a home journal. You know you have so many things that you want to do around your house. You need to get it all consolidated into one location, and this could be the perfect tool. Walk around your home, write down all your dream things that you want to get done, write down all the projects that you want to do, all the maintenance, everything. Put it in this one book here, and that way you have all those thoughts and ideas in one place. Tip number two is to start spring cleaning now. You know, it's snowing in a lot of places. We're locked in the house. It's time to really start cleaning early because this is the prime opportunity. You're home, you have the time. Why not knock it out now so that when it does get nice outside, that's when you work on those spring cleaning projects that are for the exterior and you enjoy the sun, but the interior is already done. I have actually already pulled out the spring cleaning box, and if you have been with me for a while, you know all about my cleaning box, the one that I bring out for springtime, and I'm going to do an updated version of it, so look out for that video soon. But it's basically a fun interactive way to bring the family in on completing all the tasks needed for the spring as far as maintenance and cleaning the home. It has a box full of cards of all the different rooms, all the tasks for that room, and you sit it in the entryway and the family can pick the cards and complete the task as you go through the spring cleaning season. Now let's move into tip number three, which is very important, and that is to establish a budget. And this is where my friends at Regions Bank come in because they really are just the best around when it comes to taking care of their customers. They have that big bank appeal, but that community bank feel, which I love, because not only are they, I feel like they just want me to put my money in their bank. I feel like they really want to connect with me. They give me so many tools that I can use to create those budgets so that when I move into spring cleaning and I want to redo that living room or I have those outdoor projects, I really can set up those spending accounts that will really help me put that money aside so that it does not affect the normal household budget. But the wonderful thing about Regions is not only do they simplify the process of creating those accounts, they simplify the process of figuring out how to budget. They have so many tools and so many resources and advantages such as their cashback rewards and merchant offers. And that's great because as you use that Visa check card with Regions Bank, you can potentially get cash back. So I'll put a link below and learn all about their cashback rewards. I encourage you to go and really check that out, along with checking out all of their different accounts that you can open, the checking accounts that you can open, the ones that really fit how you live, because they do have a nice selection of accounts for all of us because we all are in different stages of our life and we all need different things when it comes to our checking account. So definitely go there and check it out. And again, I'll put the link down in the description box below, but you need to really set up that budget for those home projects that you're going to be working on around the house, again, so that it's not disruptive to your budget. Tip number four is to create a plan. Now that you know all the things that you want to get done around the house, it's time to then break them up into smaller projects. Bite off the ones that you want to get done in 2021. So you don't want to just go into your journal that you're keeping now and start going down the list. You want to selectively pick those things that you want to get done this spring cleaning season or this spring season, and the things that really fit within that budget that you have established. Get it on a clipboard and then use that as your goal. Why this is so important is because it gets you focused. A lot of times we have things we want to get done around the home and we start doing this and doing that, spending more money, feeling like projects are half done. This will give you focus. So shop your journal for the task and the projects that you want to get done this season. Put those on your project list for the 2021 season, and then get ready to move into the detailed planning, because if you're doing projects around the home, it's so important to plan, because this is going to make sure that you don't make mistakes. You don't buy things that you can't use. If you're trying to organize that pantry, don't go out and buy all the materials and you haven't planned out how you want to accomplish the mission, because then it's truly just a waste of your money and cluttering your home. Get a folder folder or get some type of pouch to keep all of your samples for that project in. Keep a tape measure so that when you go to the store, you're prepared, so that you really can get the results that you want and you don't waste time and money redoing a space because you're not happy with the initial result because you didn't plan. And friends, tip number 5 is really important also, is to handle the maintenance for your home. When you have a home, there's so many things that need to be done throughout the year, but you also need to break certain things up by the season. And that's what I've done in my home planner. I have it broken down by season, all the maintenance tasks that need to be done for each season. And a lot of times, if you don't do these things in the season, when the next season comes, you may have a problem. For example, if you do not get your air conditioning service when it is the springtime, then when summer hits and it's hot, you may have issues which causes the family to be uncomfortable. And so that's why it's important to have that list per season and to look at it, make those appointments with the professional so that you can get all of those services done. And then that way you know that you're keeping up the value of your home, you're keeping your family comfortable because you're not going to have any, not only unexpected incidents, but unexpected expenses. Because, if you don't take care of these things, it causes you to kind of have to come out of pocket when you don't expect it. So definitely stay on top of the maintenance. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed the home management tips that I shared with you today. And if you want to learn more about Regions Bank, I'll leave that information in the description box below. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.